It's 10:51 and we're just leaving Grand Central Terminal. We're on the 10:45 bound for Poughkeepsie Station. Our first stop at Tarrytown. So now we just gotta wait until we actually see light. Look at the castle. They actually have a boat that goes to Bannerman Castle. Bannerman's Castle, they have a boat that leaves Beacon. Now it's on. Throw this stuff away.
Alright folks, Poughkeepsie Station, final stop coming up. Please take this time to collect all your personal belongings, check the overhead rack and seat area around you. As always, we do ask that you watch your step as you exit the train. Thank you so much for riding Metro North with us today. Have a great day. Poughkeepsie Station, final stop.
Okay. We should start from that end. That way you get the full experience. So we would start from here. Walk up to here, walk across. Maybe try this. I doubt we'll have time. But then over here, we can sort of cut through and go back to the train station. But yeah, I'm gonna set my settings. Maybe to like, how's this? 1-200. There we go. Now that's it. Wait. Oh, you heard that?
Yeah. Wait, the walkway starts so far that way.
I know. So the walkway was built in '09, and what they did was with the walkway, it was an old railroad bridge,
So
and
they converted it into a walkway?
yes, and it also went on fire back in the 70s. So that whole bridge was on fire. So what they did was they used something called right-of-way. You've heard of that?
No.
So the state government got the right-of-way for that rail line, and they turned it into a rail trail park. They They also did the same thing in Wassaic. Have you heard of a town called Wassaic?
Yes, I have.
Yes, for me. So they took the tracks north of Wassaic up to Chatham, about 40 miles, and they converted those into a rail trail as well. We're almost there.
What's up?
We're almost there.
I know. It's a very long uphill walk.
Oh yeah, you're.
You can cross this track. Look, there's no point for you to cross.
Yeah, it's crazy. I'll take a picture of the map.
Go for it.
Is my GoPro on?
How do I check? Yeah, it's on. I don't know if it's recording though.
Does it have time code, like numbers going across?
11:49, yeah. This time, yeah. 11:52. Yeah, no, yeah, it's going.
Oh, yeah. Hello! Hello?
Yeah, you got it.
I'm not going. Josh, look. The shadow. Hello!
Yes, they're not looking up.
Josh. Still got more. Josh, I want to get in.
Huh? Stuff?
Beautiful, isn't it?